How to fix blurry fonts issue in Windows 11. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to guide you on how you can fix the blurry font issue in Windows 11, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. Now if you want to solve the blurry font issue in Windows 11, you can simply try to open up the settings app and you will see this type of interface here. Then once you've done this, what you want to do from here is you simply want to go to the option called system, then just go to display. Once you go to display, here you can see scale. So the scale size you want to set to what is recommended. In my case 125% is recommended, so I'll select that. And the display resolution you want to set to the maximum or the most ideal one that your device supports. Now mine supports up to 1080p, so I'll just select 1080p over here, and after that it should hopefully help me solve that issue here. So this way you should be able to go ahead and then basically fix blurry font issues in Windows 11. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.